Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to explore the StormX project and the ways you can earn crypto by shopping online, as well as how you can stake the STMX and ATH token for crypto passive income. First, let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. We'll come back to their website in a second. So they're currently ranked 326. There's their token price. Their all-time token price high, you got to go back to 2018, so about just 5.5 years ago. They reached that 16 cents. They weren't able to get back there in the last bull run. It looks like they reached about halfway there. You can purchase this token at these exchanges. You can also swap for it on Uniswap. Let's head back over here. You want to come over to company, go to about. You can read and look at who's involved in this project. So there's the team. They also have a career section, so if you're a developer, it looks like they have a few positions opening, so you can go take a look. They have a merch store as well, so if you want to explore some of the merchandise they're offering in their store, you can do that as well. So let's go over here to their homepage to start out. So you can download the iOS or Android app. You can download it as the browser extension on these two browsers. Basically how it works is you download the app, you shop online at your favorite stores. You receive crypto cashback is what they call it. And then once you have earned $10 or more, you can withdraw that from your wallet. There are some of the brands. There's over 1,000. I'm going to go through a few of them. So here's my referral link. I've also included it in the description. If you decide to sign up, please use it. And they also had a bracket challenge recently, last few months with the NCAA. It looks like you had a chance to win $1 million of STMX and many other prizes. So let's head back over here. And they're coming out with this card, the StormX debit card. It's not available yet, but if you want to come over here, it looks like you'll be able to earn up to 8% on Amazon. So I don't know sure when this is going to come out, but you can look at their website for updates. You come over here to memberships, and you start off on purple, so you receive 1x. And they give an example of someone that bought $150 worth of merchandise at a retailer that offered 6% crypto cashback. And this is what they earned just by basically signing up, right? That's the first tier. You can buy 3,000 STMX to unlock the next tier. If you want to go all the way up to Diamond, currently it's around $36,500, $37,000 to get Diamond. Platinum's half that amount, and you can look at various other tiers if you want to get involved. So go download that wallet, and you can purchase some of those tokens at these exchanges. So if we come over here to their app, and we click on shop, you can research various e-tailors, right? There's Walmart. You can receive up to 2.5% cash back. They're going to activate the deal, and that will close. And you can come over here and look at some of the exclusions. So you can receive 0.63% cash back for various gaming, cameras, supplies, apparel, stuff like that, gardening, sporting goods, patio, 1.26, and you can go through this. If we look at eBay, so let's take another example, eBay, you can receive cash back up to 1.44%. And once this closes, you can click up here and come over to the exclusions. So you receive 1.44% on clothing. You can get 0.54% crypto cash back for buying computers, 0.72 for cameras and photos, cell phones. So looks like there's lots of ways to get money back in crypto. And like I said, there's over 1,000 different e-tailors here, and you can go through them and see the ones that have been recently added. And there they are. All right, so that's the app. Let's find out how we can make crypto passive income. So let's head back over to their website, scroll all the way up, click on staking, and it's going to take you over to the STMX StormX app, and you can earn 10% by staking the STMX. You can earn 50% by staking the ATH token, which is the governance token. You can unstake at any time. Looks like staking bonuses automatically are sent to your StormX account, and the smart contract has been audited by QuantStamp. So let's go. So I've already signed up with an email address. I've connected my MetaMask. So I've connected the account I want to use. I don't have any STMX, so I'm going to have to buy those on one of these exchanges, or the ATH. So with the ATH, there's the token price. You're going to have to come over here, and it looks like you can only swap for it on Uniswap. So if you want to get involved in the governance part of this protocol, you can purchase the ATH or swap for it on Uniswap. So you don't need to have these in your wallet before you click this button. So currently there is 1.4 billion STMX tokens being staked. That is roughly $8.1 million. Of their governance token, 89,639 ATH tokens are being staked, and that works out to roughly 120,000. So as more people get involved in the governance, obviously this will go down. But I'm assuming this would stay pretty static unless this dramatically increased. So once you have those in your MetaMask, you just click stake. If somehow you send them over to your MetaMask on the Ethereum network and you can't see them, so if I click on MetaMask and click on import tokens, and you can come over here to CoinMarketCap, you can grab the contract address, copy it, and then come back over here to MetaMask, import tokens, and then you would hit paste, and there it is, StormX, so you can import that. You can do the same thing for the Athens token, so the ATH token, just grab the contract address, come over here. It won't work by going like this. You need to go custom token, paste, it'll grab it, and then add custom token, and there's the ATH token. So that's how you would add those two tokens if they don't automatically get added while you're staking. So once you have those tokens in your wallet and you stake, you're earning 10% with STMX and 50% currently with ATH. So that's how you make crypto passive income with the StormX project. You can also look at contributing liquidity if you want. So you can come over here to app.uniswap.org, click on pools, go over to top pools, and now you have the contract addresses. You can copy that, StormX, and you can come over here and see what pools are available to invest in. So here we go, StormX. It looks like the 24-hour trading volume is around 18,000, 7 days just under $1 million, 24-hour fees, $54. So if you wanted to invest liquidity into this pool, you could earn fees generated from traders swapping for the STMX token. So that's another way to earn with this project. All right, so that's the StormX project. Various ways to earn. So you can purchase online to get crypto cash back. You can stake the project's token and the governance token to earn crypto passive income, as well as invest liquidity on Uniswap. I want to thank you for watching. I'll continue to make these videos. If you have any suggestions, leave those. Give me a thumbs up if you have a chance, or subscribe. Until next time, take care with investing. See you later.